So today we are going to make baby squid, product of USA. It's wild. And let's see. $4.99 a pound, and that is $6 for, so parang 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so less than $1 each. Today we are going to fry. Just put salt, pepper, and cook it in a butter. So let's see how that go, because I never tried that before. Let's do it. Let's clean it first. Alright, this is how I clean it. First, take out this black one on the top. Take it off, see? Take that off. And also, there's that like plastic inside of this. So we're gonna take that off. Sorry for my crazy skin, getting old. There you go. Take that out from there. So this is how I clean it. That's the only way I clean it. The inside, do it again. Take it out. Just you can touch it. You can feel it. So there it is. And just take it out from there. There. You don't want to eat that. And next again, one more time. The one on top, take it out as well. It's like a ball. Take it out like that. There you go. So I keep going and clean the rest. Looks like bunso is here. Who is it? I don't know. Just must be. Alright, let's bunso. Sorry for the patalastas. Oh, hello! How's school? I'm making... Huh? Hi. Fish. No, fish. Yeah, there's galunggong. We're gonna do that
and
next.
bagong?
Yeah. Paborito niya yan. Pritong galunggong. She just got home from school. Oh. There you go. I wash it already. Bunso is very busy. She is putting that one from the rice cooker there, so we can cook white rice, because we haven't ate rice the whole day yesterday. It's Monday, October 25th. No rice at all. Now they miss rice, so she is determined to cook rice today. We're gonna cook squid
and
fish. Sausaw daw sa bagoong. It's just fried fish, fried galunggong
fish. And tomato.
and tomato and bagoong daw. Gustong-gusto niya yun. Alright, that's peppered once already. I put pepper. Of course, our pepper. You will just put Himalayan salt. Okay, sabi ni Baba, Himala yan. Kasi Himala, kakain kami ng kanin. Okay, hopefully. Okay, magluluto siya ng kanin. Okay, kararating lang sa school. We're gonna use unsalted butter. Okay, let's put that butter already in the pan. It's melted right away. By the way, we don't have to put any flour on our squid, because here at home we don't want added starch, which is the flour. As much as possible, there's no starch. Someone is on a low carb diet, folks, so but butter is not bad. It's actually good, so we're gonna use that one instead of putting on the extra virgin olive oil. So this is just an experiment. I haven't tried doing this, cooking it with a butter and then putting on salt and pepper on my squid. So this will be our very first time cooking that. So let's find out how does that taste. It's maybe like a calamari, but it's a whole squid, baby squid. So here it come, the first one. Dude, uy, dapat napainit ng mabuti. Painit muna natin ng mabuti. Alright. Yan, looks like it's ready. Let's put some more of them baby squid. Ooh. Kakauwi ko din from work. Magkasunod lang kami ni bunso. Magluluto kami after school and work. She's gonna help me cook rice and I'll do this. And magprito ako ng galunggong after that one. Let's see what she can do and help out. Let's just put them all together in one pan so we can finish cooking right away, you know. It does work. It works. And they fit in one pan. So, let's just keep doing it. Sorry, medyo bagal tayo kasi yung isang kamay nakahawak at hindi makagawagay. Why? Iko. There you go. Alright, tingnan ko yung pinakaunang nilagay ko. Balik ta rin natin kung anong itsura. Ooh. So, well, you know what? I think I will just leave it for the meantime over here. Okay, you can wash the rice cooker so you can cook the rice, Baba Otin. Please. And thank you. Well, it's squid. Come on. You're a Filipino. You're not puti. What? This tastes good. What?
You're a Filipino, that's puti.
Yeah, it's true. Why do you be disgusted with the smell? It actually smells good. It's squid. Actually, I miss the corn. I want the dried pusit. That's gonna be the next siguro pag next na sweldo. You know, folks, minsan dahil we are working so hard, you have to give yourself a treat kahit na mahal. Huwag mo nang isipin yun. Importante nakatikim ka. At least sa buong buhay mo naman, at least makatikim. Pagbigyan mo naman yung sarili mo. You know, noon, naku, puro tipid ng tipid, ng tipid, ng tipid. Ngayon, alam niyo ba? Life is short. So, magluto ka. Kahit man lang para sa, cravings mo. You know what I mean?
Okay, Mommy, what do I do now?
Okay, you have to go and get 4 cups of jasmine rice. Meron yata akong hindi naalis na is this one. Sorry, kakamayin ko po. There you go. Oh, meron pa hindi naalis. Actually, since it's like that one, you know what? Ang labas na siguro nito lalagyan ko na lang ng sibuyas.
I'm going to clean it.
Yeah, she's gonna wash it, clean it. She has 4 cups ready. You have to at least clean the rice like twice. So wash it twice, please. So I'm putting a little bit hint of this spice. Chili pepper. Tikman natin, medyo naluto na. So, yung tentacle muna. Tentacle. Actually good. Ayan ang itsura. So, ganyan na siya. And then later on, lagyan natin ng lemon. So, she is wiping around I told her to wipe it around sa hindi basa. Sorry, she has eczema. It's showing up there. Sorry, Baba. Alright, so it's dry now. You can put it and start cooking. Yeah, I it's winter, it's get worse. You know what we forgot, Baba?
What?
You have to put your
Rice.
vinegar, your rice vinegar.
Wait, I don't know the rest.
It's rice vinegar.
Oh.
That's what it says over there.
But in Korean and Japanese.
That's what we use. We add rice vinegar into our rice before cooking. Oh, that's a lot. Oh, okay. Put it all since there's a little bit left.
That's what you said.
I know. Okay, that's good enough.
Ew.
And another hint is we add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. It's just a little bit. Maybe just... Okay, try it.
Ew.
No, it's not you. Para pang moist. Yeah. Yeah. That's it. Okay, extra virgin olive oil and the rice vinegar. So, hindi siya mapanis. So, it's not gonna be spoiled. Alright, folks, just gonna cook it now. That's what we are using today. No, that's not digital. We give up our digital ones because lagi naman kaming napapanisan. So, we use this old one. Yep, just press it down. That's it. Alright, thank you. Alright, thank you. See you later. So, naluto na yung ating squid. At saka yun ang prituhan natin. Gisa ko na lang ng sibuyas at bawang. At saka lalagyan ko ng lemon. And then after that, I'll put it on top of this squid. There, yung pinagprituhan natin. So, we're gonna use this sibuyas at bawang. Ilagay na natin yung ating sibuyas at bawang sa kawaling umuusok. Umuusok na. It's caramelized. Actually, those are really good. See, let's get those good stuff there. So we have lemons from Argentina. Argentina. Squeeze it to that fiery. We'll squeeze it over here. Yan, let's put it on top. Just our version. Home cooking. There you go. Okay. Now let's fry galunggong. We have galunggong. Galunggong is round scad fish, Taiwan wild. So it's Taiwan wild. Alisan natin ng gills at saka buntot at saka yung nandyan na kwan. Yung ganito niya, flipper. Ayan, nalinis na yung ating galunggong. Wala ng flipper at buntot. We have Himalayan salt. We have bok choy white long product of USA. Hugasan natin, isama natin sa ulam natin. We have our boiling water for the pechay. Hindi ko na in-slice, ganyan na buo. Ready na, kain na tayo. Sibuyas, kamatis with bagoong. Kain na. There's our galunggong. Blanch pechay. Lagay natin sa on top of that.